Hey guys, we are having a breakfast burrito from McDonald's. Yes, getting ready to go to church. These are really good. And yes, that's my seatbelt. Johnny had to get some gas, and the boys are getting something to drink. We're getting them drinks with lids where they won't spill. These are good. And Gracie's got
apple pie,
pumpkin cream pie. They were delicious too. They're good, ain't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yum. So, if y'all haven't tried these, do it because they're good. I'm thirsting. This thing right here is really getting on my nerves. I'll have to fix that in a minute.